Now let's create our first program using Trinket. Once you've signed up and logged into Trinket, click on the menu, click New Trinket and click Python to create a new Python program. Now you're ready to write your code. I'm going to write the code print, I'm going to open a bracket, I'm going to put a quote mark in, and I'm going to put my message, hello world. Now Trinket has already put in for me the closing quote mark and the closing bracket. And once I've finished my code, I'm now able to save it, and I'm going to call it hello world and press enter. Now I've written my code and I've saved it, I can run it by clicking the run button. And if everything's gone well and you have no errors, you'll see the message hello world appear in the right hand side. Now, if you do see any errors, look over your code carefully, just make sure everything's correct. But there are a couple of things that I would just point out. Firstly, Python's case sensitive. Print with a capital P is different to print with a lowercase p. Also, your message has to be in between quote marks. Again, if it's not, you'll see an error. Print is also expected to use brackets, an open and a close. And if you've missed one off, again, you'll see an error a bit like this one. Whenever you want to run your program in Trinket, just click Run.